Okay, we're working on a 5.7 turbo Z71 Chevy 1500 pickup truck. Okay, we got a bad starter. We got a broken mount. Let's see if we can show you. We got a broken mount for the starter, melted wire, crushed oil pan. Looks like someone lifted it up with a jack by the oil pan. And we also got some melted glow plugs that would need to be replaced. If you could see right here, yeah, got some melted wires from the exhaust manifold, and that should be pretty much it. Now, so first thing we have to do is fix the mount. Okay. This starter here, as you can see, is no good. Cracked, and the gear is worn out. So we're going to install this one and repair the mount, and give them an estimate on the oil pan and glow plugs. And that should do it for this.